I bet you $100. Yes, really. Here is the bet. If you put just 23 people in a room, I bet you that 2 of them will have the exact same birthday. Now, you might be thinking, Stick, are you crazy? There are 365 days in a year. 23 people is a tiny number. The chances must be super low, maybe like 5 or 6%. If you think that, you just lost $100, because mathematically, the chance is actually over 50%. How is this possible? Welcome to the birthday paradox. The reason this feels like magic is because our human brains are terrible at understanding probability. We think linearly. When you walk into a room, you usually think, I need to match my birthday with someone else. And you are right, the chance of you matching with a specific person is very low. But that is not the question. We're looking for any 2 people sharing a birthday. Person A can match with person B can match with person C, person D can match with person A. With just 23 people, there are actually 253 possible pairs in that room. That's 253 chances for a match. Suddenly, it doesn't seem so impossible, right?
So, how do we prove it? Calculating the chance of a match directly is a nightmare, so let's use a genius math trick. Instead of calculating the chance of a match, let's calculate the probability that no one shares a birthday, and then we will just flip it. Imagine an empty room. The first person enters. He can have any birthday he wants. His probability of being unique is 365 out of 365. That's 100%. The second person enters. To avoid a match, he must have a different birthday than the first person, so he has 364 days left. His probability is 364 out of 365. The third person enters. He must be different from both of them. He has 363 days left. See the pattern? Every new person makes the space smaller. If we do this for 23 people and multiply all these probabilities together, the chance of no one sharing a birthday drops to 49.3%. And here's the magic part. Since the total probability must be 100%, if there's a 49.3% chance of no match, that means there's a 50.7% chance of a match. Boom! With just 23 people, it is mathematically more likely to happen than not.
It gets even crazier if you add just a few more people. If you have 30 people in a room, the chance goes up to 70%. And if you have 57 people, the probability is 99%. It is basically guaranteed. So next time you watch a soccer match, look at the field. There are 22 players and 1 referee. That's 23 people. Statistically, there is a 50% chance 2 of them share a birthday. Now you have the power to win some bets at school or work. Find a group of 23 people, make the bet, and trust the math. Did this result surprise you? Let me know in the comments. I'm Stick, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.